Hi guys, and welcome to BeatThatMaths, home of easy learning maths. Now if you haven't been to this channel before, this channel is based on the principle of just number knowledge. So it's about improving everybody's core number knowledge, just dealing with simple numbers, how they relate to each other and how they link together. And if you master your number knowledge, then you're on a really good footing to master all the more sort of advanced levels of maths. This video is going to be how to solve algebra. Hopefully you're warmed up and ready to go. If you're not, you can follow this link to a video that will help you get warmed up, get our brain prepared and ready to go for learning maths. Also, before we begin, you can always download the worksheet for this video following the link in the description. If we're ready to go, let's explain about today. So algebra level 3. Level 3. The reason I've put this one at level 3 is very simple. This time we're going to be looking at what happens if there's more than one of the missing value. So this, for example, could be like 3x. So if we had 3x, what that's telling us is the missing value, there's 3 lots of it. There's 3 times that amount. Okay. So if we had 3x plus 4 equals 19. If we work the way through that, using the skills that we've already learned in our level 1 and level 2 videos, we would see that 3x plus 4 equals 19. So first things first, let's have just 3x. So this time you'll have 3x equals 19, take away that 4. So this means 3x equals 15. In level 3 we need to go one step further. So where we have 3 lots of it, we still need to give the individual value. For the individual value, the last step that you always do is you divide your total by however many lots of the missing value you have. So for this question, we have 3 lots of the missing value, with 3 lots of something. Okay? So 3x equals 15. We need 3 lots that make 15. So this is actually grounded in our 3 times tables. So as I said, our core number knowledge, our 3 times tables is how you're going to use to solve this algebra question. 3 lots of 5 make 15.
Let's beat that algebra. Let's have a look at our very first example here. We've got the question 2x plus 4 equals 14. So we know the bit we've done before is the 2x. We're used to that from level 2. From level 1 we're also used to the idea of the plus 4 moving across to the other side to be minus 4. That means now we've got 14 minus 4 on the right side, and on the left side is 2x. So the 2x equals 10. Here's the new part for level 3. That 10 now needs to be split into 2 equal parts. You have 2 lots of something equals 10. Therefore, x equals 5. Let's try one more. 3b minus 3 equals 12. We say something minus 3 equals 12. So that's something equals 15. Now I have 15. It's in 3b, 3 lots of something. So I need to take 15 and I need to split it into 3 equal amounts. So if you have a look, we've got 3 amounts. They're all b. They are my 3 b's. Each b must be worth 5. Therefore, my answer was 15 divided by 3. b equals 5. Super, guys. I think we have this. Let's have a look at our challenge now. We've got 2x plus 4 equals 16. 3x plus 2 equals 23. We've also got 5y plus 6 equals 16. Fourth question is 2f minus 2 equals 18. And our last question today on our whiteboards, 7h minus 5 equals 9. So guys, on your whiteboard, have a look. Pause this video, try to get as many done as possible, and then you can come back in a couple of seconds, give yourself about a minute, see how well you do, And any ones you get stuck on, don't worry, just try your best. Come back and do the answers. So, really well done guys if you've managed that. Let's have a look at some of our answers. For the first one, 2x plus 4 equals 16. For this one, we know that 2x equals 12. So if two lots of something make 12, moving across to 12 needs to be split into 3x plus 2 12 divided by 2, 23. For this one our answer is x equals from 6. Here we're now starting to get more familiar with level 1 and 2 knowledge, so we can skip them steps. We should know that 3x equals 21. If 3 lots of something make 21, that means 21 divided by 3 is 7. So x equals 7. Question 3. 5y plus 6 equals 16. So we can skip ahead to 5y equals 10. I've took away the 6. If 5y equals 10, that's 5 lots of something equal 10. Therefore, y equals 2. Fourth question is 2f minus 2 equals 18. So add on the 2 means 2f equals 20. So if 2 lots of something make 20, the something in this case is 10. F equals 10. Finally, last one, 7h minus 5 equals 9. From here, we should have 7h equals 14. 14 split into 7 equal amounts. Every amount should be 2. So for this question, h equals 2. Excellent guys, that is Algebra Level 3 done.
Level 3 Algebra, absolutely smashed. Really well done guys, fantastic work today. I would like to thank you for using BeatThatMaths to help you. I hope I have been able to help you with your algebra today. As always, if you enjoyed the channel, we'd love it if you subscribe to keep updated with any new videos I have. And feel free to leave a comment down below and I can always see how we've done. Really well done. If you're feeling ready for it and fresh enough, you can always check out my level 4 algebra video.